Morning to all. I am Perisami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today we are discuss the topic PET in Network Analysis. Unit 5, Operation Research, Class 2nd Year, BBA. PET means Program Evaluation, Review and Technique. So network analysis, two important topics. One is CPM, another is PET. CPM means critical path method. Already the topic is completed. So now we are going to PET. PET means Program Evaluation, Review and Technique. It's one important 10-mark question. The following table lists the jobs of network with their time estimates. Jobs and 3 time estimate to give. So these jobs, draw the project network for given jobs and calculate the length and variance of critical path. So first draw the project network for given jobs. So draw the network diagram. So jobs 1 to 2. Next 1 to 6. Next 2 to 3. Next 2 to 4. Next 3 to 5. Next 4 to 5. Next 6 to 7. Next 5 to 8. Last one is 7 to 8. So first draw the project network is complete. Next calculate the length and variance of critical path. So now we are going to 3 important formulas. TE. TE means expected duration. T0 means optimistic time to give. T0 optimistic time. TP. TP means pessimistic time. TM. For TM. TM means most likely time by 6. Standard deviation SD equal to TP minus T0 by 6. Difference between pessimistic time and optimistic time by 6. Variance means standard deviation is square values. TP minus T0 by 6 whole square. So job to give TE, this formula to put standard deviation and variance. So these are jobs to give. So now find out TE, expected duration. This expected duration value to put for 1 to 2, 2 to 3 to 5 to 8 and 7 to 8 last jobs. So jobs 1 to 2, how many days to complete? So find out the 1 to 2, this formula to use expected duration. So first to take 1 to 2. T0. T0 value is 3. 1 to 2 T0. Optimistic time T0. Most likely time TM. Pessimistic time TP. So 1 to 2 optimistic time value is 3 to put. Plus TP. TP means pessimistic time value 15. 15 plus 4 TM. Most likely time value is 6 but 4. So multiply the most likely time value is into 4. Most likely time value is 6. 4 into 6 24 by 6. So adding numerator value 3 plus 15 plus 24 by 6. So numerator value is 42 by denominator value is 6. So answer 7. Standard deviation TP minus T0 by 6. TP means 15, T0 means 3. So 15 minus 3 by 6. So numerator value is 12 by denominator value is 6 equal to 2. So its square value is 4. So standard deviation square value is variance equal to 4. So similarly for all other jobs to try. So So now the diagram. So 1 to 2, its duration, expected duration value is 7. So put this value in network diagram, 7. So 2 to, next one is, second one is 1 to 6, its duration value is 6. So 2 to 3, its duration value is 14. 2 to 3, 14 days. So 2 to 4, 5 days. 3 to 5, 11 days. 4 to 5, 7 days. 6 to 7, 11 days. 5 to 8, 4 days. 7 to 8, 18 days. So first jobs completed in 7 days. 2 to 3, 1 to 2, 7 days to complete. 2 to 3, 14 days complete. So each and every jobs to find and its durations. Now, so numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are events. So event 1 to 8. So event 1 to 8, how many bars to reach 1 to 8? Find out. So first bar is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 5, 5 to 8. Various bars, the first bars, its durations 1 to 2, 7, 2 to 3, 14, and 3 to 5, 11, 5 to 8, 4. So adding these values equal to 36 days. Duration in days, because question duration mentioned in days. So days. Another bar is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5, 5 to 8. So 1 to 2 duration 7, 2 to 4 duration is 5, 4 to 5 duration is 7, 5 to 8 4. So adding this value is equal to 23 days. Last bar is 1 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 8. Its duration 6, 11, 18. Adding this equal to 35 days. So critical path is, we know that critical path is in a network diagram. The longest duration of path is called critical path. Find this 3 bars. So longest duration is 36. So longest duration of path is called critical path. So this path is critical path. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8. It's called critical path. So length of critical path, length and variance of critical path. So length of critical path or project duration is same meaning. Project duration completed in 36 days. So this place not only days, weeks or hours to give. So 36 days. The variance of critical path is, this is critical path. So its variance value to find. One to 2. Its variance value is 4. Tick. So second 2 to 3. Its variance value is 16. To tick. 3 to 5. Its variance value is 4. To tick. 5 to 8. Its variance value is 1. So adding this ticked 4 values, we get the variance of critical path answer. The variance of critical path is 4 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 25. So draw the network diagram first of. Second is the critical path. Find out, and the length of critical path 36 days. The variance of critical path is its critical path's variance value to find out 25. So it's enough to prove to our given problem. Thank you.